Miss seven. Manufacturing is just an assembly line conveyor belt process, and I love this slide because I feel that when we do have a lot of our tours of our facility, I don't think a lot of people understand the processes and how the steps are pretty in depth, and how many things must be done to get from final design to that ship date. It's just there's so many different steps and so many different procedures and checks and balances in place that it's not a conveyor belt at all. It's definitely more technical.
Yeah, especially when you speak directly to foundries, you're not going to see a conveyor belt system come through foundries, not at least as frequently as you would think you would. And I think you see the surprise on a lot of people's face when they first time stepping into a foundry of just kind of experiencing what it looks like, first of all, and also they're not as dirty and scary looking as you would think. But it's a lot more labor intensive and a lot more steps along the way than one would expect.
Yeah, and I don't think you're pumping out the same product. Every single person who comes to BPI has their unique product that we're making for them. So every single time the steps are kind of the same, but there's different things that need to be considered for every step of the way. And finishing is a big part of that too, whether we're doing the interior finishes or we're sending a part out that's unfinished, uncoated. There's just a lot that goes into it.
Yeah, I think that's important, Jonathan, because custom products require custom solutions. This isn't, for the most part, castings aren't products that you're buying off the shelf in your local store.